Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 3 and the topic is mode. What is mode? The mode of a set of observations is that observation that occurs most often. Means suppose for example we have that example, find the mode for the given set of numbers. In this set of numbers, the mode of all this set will be that number which occurs most of the time. First we will arrange these numbers in ascending or descending order. So here I arrange them in ascending order, starting from 0, 2, 2, 2, there are 3 times 2, then 3, 3, 3, 3 times 3, then 4, 4, 4, 3 times 4, 5, 5, 2 times 5, and 6, 6, 6, 6, 4 times 6. Means in this set of numbers we have 4 times 6. Since this is the number, means 6 is that number which appeared highest number of the times. In that way we can say that the mode of this set of number is 6. So the answer of this question will be 6. Now moving on to next topic, this is median. What is median? Median refer to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranging in an increasing or decreasing order. This thing, or we can say this statement is true only for odd number of observations. Means when we have 3, 5, 11, 9, this in this odd number set of observations, then this statement will applied. Otherwise for even number of set of observations we will have another formula. For this we have a formula, median is equal to, I write here that for odd numbers median will be equal to value of half of n plus 1th observation, where n stands for number of observations in particular set. I will clear you the question with the help of this example. Find the median of the data, and here is the data. First we will arrange this data in ascending or descending order. Here I arrange this data in ascending order, that is 17, 18, 24, 25, 35, 36 and 46. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here in this set there are 7 values. When we count them even from left or even from right, it is at the 4 point there will be same value, that is 25. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. We have at the middle we have 25. We can also calculate it with the help of formula. I show you. This is the ascending order of these numbers. We already know the answer, that it is 45. Now I will show you how it will come with the help of formula. We know median is equal to value of half of n plus 1th observation. Here total number of observation are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So n will be equal to 7. So median will be equal to n plus 1th term or observation, means 7 plus 1th observation upon 2. या इसको लिख सकते हैं into 1 by 2. That will be equal to 8 divided by 2. That will be equal to 4th observation. 4th observation means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the 4th observation is 25. That's why our answer will be 25. Now moving on to exercise 3.2. The first question is, the score in mathematics test of 15 students is as follows. Find the mode and median of this data. So first we will arrange this data in ascending order. So this is the ascending order of that data, and here we can see that number of observation is 15, as we already know that there are 15 students, so it is an odd number, so we can easily find the median of the data. So first we will find mode. So mode will be 20, because 20 is the number that occurs most of the time. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4 times, and all other number are not occurred at more than 20. That's why 20 is the mode of the set of observation. Now we have to find the median. As I told you that we can find it with the help of formula, or we can easily find out with the by counting it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically this is the answer 20. This is only for odd number of observations. Please इसको याद रखिएगा कि ये सिर्फ ऑड नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए अप्लाई होगा व्हेन यू कैन काउंट द डेटा. इवन नंबर ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए ये अप्लाई नहीं होगा, और इवन नंबर अभी आपके में है नहीं कोर्स में, इसलिए मैं अभी नहीं बता रही हूँ, आगे बता दूँगी. नाउ दे आस्क्ड वन मोर क्वेश्चन, इफ़ मोड एंड मीडियन आर बोथ आर सेम. सो यस, both mode and median are same, both are 20. Moving on to second question. The second question is, the run scored in a cricket match by 11 player is as follows. Now we have to tell that what is the mode, median of the runs. So mode of the run is 15, because 15 occurs the highest time. Median of the run scored by players is also 15, because the middle term of the set of observation is 15. And mean, you already know that sum of all observations divided by number of observation. So sum of all observation will be equal to, sum of all observation is 429 divided by number of observation, that is 11. After division we will find that they are 39. So in that way the mean is 39. Here mode and median are same, but mean is not same. Mode and median are 15 and mean is 39. Thank you.